Welcome to Diversity Community Resources Society. Moving to Canada is challenging. There's so much to do when you arrive. You need to find a job, get your kids in school, and secure a home, and all while trying to learn English. And that's just the beginning. The team at DIVERSEcity wants to help. Many of us came as immigrants and refugees looking for a better life. We faced similar struggles and made it through, and now we want to help you the way others have helped us. As you access DIVERSEcity's services, you will spend a lot of time with our team members. To work together well, it is important that you understand your rights and responsibilities. Here is how we will protect your rights. At DIVERSEcity, we value dignity. Your rights and choices matter. As our client, you have the right to access all available services at DIVERSEcity. You can accept, refuse, or withdraw from services at any time. If your worker suggests a support you are uncomfortable with, you can say no. We will only complete the support that you understand and agree to. At DIVERSEcity, we also value integrity and privacy. Everyone at DIVERSEcity is committed to protecting your privacy and making sure you understand the limits of confidentiality. When we provide services, sometimes we need to ask for personal information or private details of your life and relationships. We will use your information carefully, reasonably, and responsibly. Here is how we make sure your personal information stays private. First, we store your information in a safe place. All your documents can only be accessed by designated employees. Paper documents are stored in a secure location at our offices. Digital documents are stored in a password-protected computer. When we fill out a form or application with your personal information, we use a secure Wi-Fi connection. Second, we give you access to your personal information. You can attend any meetings that concern you. You also have the right to view, review, or receive a copy of the files we create while working with you. Third, we keep your information private. We try to offer services in a private location so no one can overhear your conversations. When we meet online, we will create a secure video call so no one can listen in. We will never share your information outside of DIVERSEcity without your consent. Even if you choose to withdraw from our services, we will keep all your information private. We promise to protect your privacy, but there are also cases where we are required to share your information outside of DIVERSEcity. First, if we suspect a child or a dependent adult might be abused or neglected, by law, we must report the abuse to the proper authorities. Second, if we are concerned that you or someone else may be harmed, we must involve others to keep you safe. Third, there may be times when we must release client information due to a subpoena or court order. Finally, we may be required to share your information for supervision activities, monitoring of service quality, and other reasons related to our programs and funding sources. In these cases, only common and non-confidential information will be shared with funders to provide project impact data and/or to maintain financial funds and resources. Once again, we promise to protect your privacy. We will only share your information outside of DIVERSEcity if one of these situations arise. These are your rights at DIVERSEcity. Our team will respect your choice to accept or refuse services and keep your personal information private. We will treat you with respect, integrity, and dignity. We offer these promises so you can trust us when we help you with finding a job, accessing healthcare, or learning English. In return, we expect you to accept your responsibilities as our client. At DIVERSEcity, we value arriving on time. If you want to access DIVERSEcity's services, we expect you to arrive on time. If you can't attend, you must tell your worker at least 24 hours before your appointment. Arriving late, not giving enough notice, or not showing up for an appointment may result in file closure. By arriving on time, you respect your worker, the DIVERSEcity team, and the clients who have appointments after you. At DIVERSEcity, we value honesty. Please share your needs in the most transparent and authentic way possible. Please update us with any changes that might affect the services you receive. This will help us serve you better. At DIVERSEcity, we value respect. We will not tolerate abuse to our staff, volunteers, or other clients. This means no physical violence and no verbal insults. These are the promises we ask from you. You will arrive on time. You will share your needs honestly. You will never abuse staff, volunteers, or other clients. If you are willing to make these promises, we are excited to work with you. We will keep to our promises to respect your choice to accept or refuse services, and to keep your personal information private. But if you are ever concerned about any of the services we provide, here is how we will address your concerns together. First, we ask that you talk directly with the staff. Bring your concern to the staff member involved and see if you can find a solution together. If no solution is reached after 14 days, please share your concern in writing to the manager. The manager will then meet with you and the staff to try to solve the problem. If no solution is reached after 14 days, the manager will pass your concern to the director, who will meet with you, the staff, and anyone else involved. If no solution is reached after 21 days, the director will share your concern with the Chief Executive Officer. If no solution is reached after 21 days, the Chief Executive Officer will share your concern with the Board of Directors. The board may talk to all involved, and they will come up with a decision within 28 calendar days. What the board decides will be the final decision. We are excited to work with you. All of our staff work hard to help you overcome the challenges of moving to Canada. As we offer these services, we will respect your choice to accept or refuse services, and we will keep your personal information private. In return, we ask that you arrive on time, share your needs honestly, and never abuse staff, volunteers, or other clients. If you have any questions about these promises, please speak to your worker. If you are ready to agree to these promises, please tell your worker. DIVERSEcity is committed to protecting your safety, well-being, rights, and privacy. We are also committed to seeing you thrive as you start your new life in Canada. We look forward to getting started.